Counsel, you took the time to research the district attorney's findings, didn't you?
I did.
And did you agree with them?
No.
Of course not. No half-minded attorney would.
Now, I would agree that in the past, my client has made some questionable decisions, but that's a long way for me to accuse my client of being a terrorist.
Granted, but what kind of a case can I make against a man who clearly covers his tracks so well? He's fooling you.
That's speculation, and you know it.
Counsel, if your client had been involved in, let's say, 1 or 2 questionable decisions, I could see your point. But the sheer number of so-called incorrect decisions form a pattern that simply cannot be ignored.